Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of DT Watch X, which is a copy version of Apple Watch Series 9, and you can buy this from AliExpress. Link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing, and it comes with the Amoled display, 60Hz refresh rate. It has photo album. You can connect your TWS Bluetooth earbuds as well. So the size is 46 and I bought this in gray color, so the strap will be in gray. And let me just quickly show you. Here is our quick start guide. Here is our strap in gray color. Looks very good actually. Here is our charging dock. And here's the watch. So let me just quickly take off the plastic. So as you can see, the design is not actually similar to the original Apple Watch Series 9. On the right hand side we have crown key, power button. On the left hand side the speaker design is completely different compared to Apple Watch Series 9, and back side is also very different. It looks similar to Apple Watch Series 1, I believe. So as you can see, I've already set this up, and as you can see from the bottom we have a quick menu, and if we swipe to the left we have different widgets: heart rate measure, sports mode, and other you can also add in this watch. So the AMOLED display looks very good actually. So let me just turn it on again, and let's change the watch face. And this watch face is also very good. You can change the watch face by rotating the crown key, and somehow you cannot actually lock the watch face, which is a little bit weird. So let me just select this watch face, and as you can see guys, the animation is very smooth, and it looks very good actually. So I've never seen this type of animation before. It's very smooth actually. Here is another watch face, animated watch face. So yeah, this looks very good actually. Let me just try this one. And the colors also looks very good. This is the original Apple Watch Ultra watch face. Here is another watch face, and let me just quickly select this one. So as you can see, if you tap on it, it changes the theme. Let me just tap on it as well. I believe this is also a animated watch face. As you can see, the colors look really vibrant guys, and the display quality is amazing. So if you double tap, you can switch between the applications, similar like a recent menu. So let me just change the watch face. And as you can see, they all have some sort of random images. Here is another watch face. The animation looks very good actually guys, and the display quality is also very sharp. So let me just quickly select this one. You can change the pictures as well in this one by tapping on the screen. Here is another watch face. So we have a lot of actually watch faces, and you can download more watch faces from the store, from the dial market. As you can see, if you click on some category, you can select different type of watch faces. So let's try this one. This one also looks very good. So they have plenty of watch faces that you can choose from. And dynamic, these are pre-installed watch faces. Some of them you can download. So yeah, very nice selection of watch faces actually. So we are going to put this watch face for now, and let me just quickly show you the smoothness of menu. So as you can see, it's very smooth, 60Hz refresh rate, and the touchscreen is also very smooth, as you can see. Yeah, really the speed is amazing guys actually. And here is our calculator application, weather application, heart rate. Let's try heart rate by putting this on the table, and as you can see, it's not measuring the table heart rate, which is very good. So as you can see, as soon as I put it on a table, it will give me an error. So which is good actually. That means they are using a good heart rate sensor. So if I put my fingers on the back side, wait, let me just quickly open this again, and as you can see, now it's measuring. So yeah, the heart rate is working fine actually. Let me just quickly go back, and here is over dial application, compass application. So let's just calibrate it, and as you can see, it's working. And we have some videos, pre-installed videos. We also have blood pressure sensor as well, so as you can see, and some games pre-installed, Snake, and the touchscreen is working really good actually. You can play the game. So it's a classic game actually. You can enjoy this game on this smartwatch, and it works really well actually. So let's try Flappy Bird. And Flappy Bird has some frame rate issues, but it's not that smooth, but still you can play it. So let me just quickly try to, yeah, only one, not one actually. So let me try to, yeah, it's difficult to play actually in this. So the touchscreen is working really good actually, guys. Let's try again. So yeah, you can play in this watch if you like Flappy Bird. So let me just quickly show you another game. What is that? I don't know how to play this one, but yeah, these are the games that is pre-installed. And by the way, it supports Wear Pro application, so you can download more watch faces. And here is photo mode, but you cannot zoom on the picture, which is quite weird actually. You cannot zoom in and zoom out, not even by rotating the crown key. So yeah, here is our flashlight, and as you can see, the bezel size is quite thin actually. So NFC, it does not support NFC in some countries actually, so you have to check that on the seller's page. Here is our blood oxygen sensor. Let me just quickly show you that again. So if I put my finger, it has blood oxygen sensor, and I believe it is a very good sensor. So I'm going to have to test that. So let me just quickly show you sports mode animations. And yeah, looks very similar to the original Apple Watch Series 9. It looks good. If I go into activity mode, here is the activity mode. And in some applications, the crown key is actually not working. You cannot rotate it to go up and down, which is weird actually. And sometimes it does not work in the menu as well, so it will work after some time. Let me just quickly show you here, as you can see. But when it works really smooth, and it does not have any vibration or haptic feedback, which is very disappointing actually. But the screen quality is amazing, guys, and the speed of the watch is also very good. So here is always on display, and you can change the theme of always on display. Let me just quickly go into settings and show you how you can select different type of always on display. So here is an option, idle clock, as you can see. If we click on it, as you can see, we can change the style, and it has these styles that you can choose from. So pointer 4, pointer 3, and it looks very good actually. So let's try this one. and it also has palm gesture, so which is also a very good feature. As you can see, always on display looks very good. I really like the themes of always on display that you can choose in this watch. So every clone should have that type of option actually. So let's try raise to wake feature, and as you can see, it's working really good. And yeah, very nice watch actually. Overall, I really like it. If you like to purchase this watch, link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing. And if you like this video guys, please leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. I will make sure to reply as soon as possible. So thanks a lot for watching my video guys. Allah Hafiz.